Hello everyone and welcome to a new video in this section called the Controlled Environment Agriculture Spotlight. Today we're going to learn about research and results for the use of red light in a greenhouse of lettuce. So today we're going to go over a great research done by the Wageningen University about the use of red light inside of greenhouses. So the name of the article is Increasing Red Fraction in LED Supplemental Lighting Enhances Yield Without Affecting Quality in Greenhouse Grown Lettuce. So let's learn about this research. For this research, they were using natural light and also supplemental lighting from LED lights. So for all the treatments, they use a light intensity that was fixed to 200 micromoles per square meter per second. This was the light intensity coming out from the lamps for all the treatments. They did different treatments, increasing the amount of red light on LEDs. For this research, they did different treatments, increasing the amount of red light from 38% of red to 95% of red. Here you can see the treatments that were used, and also pay attention to the efficacy or the efficiency that we have for the different wavelengths. Usually when you have more red, you will have a more efficient lamp. Speaking about the light that was inside of the greenhouse, about 74% of the light was coming from supplemental lighting and the rest was from natural light. So in this research, they were able to track the yield and fresh weight, dry weight, and obviously also to take into consideration the quality of the plants to evaluate the effect of red light on the different cultivars. For the research, they showed that by increasing red light, there was a linear increase in fresh weight and dry weight for the cultivars of lettuce that were used for this research. We know red light can also affect the morphology of the plant and can also affect sometimes the components that the plant is producing. So they were also testing the amount of chlorophyll, antocianin, different type of substance that are made inside of the plant. And they were able also to prove that for these treatments, at least for these treatments, they didn't have any big impact on, significant impact on the quality of the product, which is really important because sometimes we can put more red light because we know that this is a good light for photosynthesis. However, sometimes we can have a malformation on the plants, or we can have a response that is not desired in terms of quality. But in this case, for these specific treatments, they were able to prove that there was no significant impact on the quality based on the wavelengths that they were using. So from this research, we can learn that increasing red light could be beneficial for the use of supplemental lighting inside of greenhouses. Still, we need to have the rest of the colors. I mean, not just red light. We need to have a balance on the lamps that will include also colors like green and also blue, sometimes far red. But we know by increasing red light, we can have more yield and we can make our system more efficient, because if we have more red, usually these lamps will be more efficient. And why is that? This is because less energy is needed for the same amount of photons when we are using more red light. So now you know that red light can help you when you are growing lettuce inside of greenhouses with the help of supplemental lighting. So this was just a quick summary of a research done by a great university. Go and check the full article if you are interested in learning a little bit more about this research, and I hope you enjoyed the information. Remember, my name is Karla Garcia, Hort Americas Technical Service and Consultant. See you on the next video.